Welcome to Holly Scoop. I'm Stephanie Bauer. The reality couple from New Jersey pled not guilty to an array of charges this week in court. If convicted, they each face 50 years in prison and millions of dollars in fines. So it's time to get desperate. Teresa Giudice allegedly got so desperate she proposed a plea deal to avoid jail time for federal fraud charges, but the prosecution rejected it. A source tells Radar Online, quote, Teresa and Joe's defense team submitted a plea deal, but the U.S. attorney denied it. The prosecutor has said that if she wants to plead it out, she has to do jail time. They believe that the evidence will show that Teresa can't play dumb. She was in cahoots with Joe and was just as much a part of orchestrating the scam as he was. Teresa's lawyer won't talk, though. He says if there ever were a deal, he would not discuss any conversations about his client. This same lawyer also said jail time is a very real possibility for Teresa, considering it is a federal case. The trial is set for October 8th.